guys, welcome back to the channel. As you guys saw in the last video, I just got the new Race Trip Pedal Commander in the mail, and I'm going to do an install video here. Okay, first things first, what you want to do, you want to turn the car all the way off. And you want to get out, leave the door open, but you want to lock it. Make sure these keys aren't within 10-15 feet, as you need all the electronics to turn off, and then wait about 5 minutes. So now that all the electronics are turned off and the car is locked, there's a couple of tools that you're going to need. Just a regular screwdriver just to pry some stuff off, and then a 10mm, you got 10mm bolts that you got to get rid of. Okay, so next, I would make sure you move the seat all the way back and the steering wheel up and out of the way as much as you can, because it's going to be hard to get down in there. Now, as you can see, there's these little covers right here. One here, one here. You got to pop those off. So you're going to take a screwdriver, stick it in there, just pop that off real easy. And then take the one up here. There we go. Okay, so next we got two 10mm bolts, one right there and one right there, that we're just going to use a wrench real quick to get rid of. And so next you can kind of take the pedal, move it around a little bit, move the camera. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a connector in the back here. So right there, there's just a little clip right here. You're just gonna pop that off. Okay, so your pedal is completely free. Now, what I didn't show you is I kind of already set up. You have the main box. This is what comes. This is the main thing. I put Velcro. Comes with two Velcro strips, put in the back of here. And I found the best place is right up in here, right up underneath the center console. There's a second Velcro strip. There's a little black box up here that I put the Velcro strip on. You can just easily stick this up there, and it stays really good. And it's easy to get to the access point for the remote control. Now, connected to it, there's two ports. You have the receiving end and the other end. Now, you want to plug in, it'll have a little B on it. That's what you're going to plug into what's in the car. The other one is what you're going to plug into the actual throttle, the gas pedal. Here's the one coming from the box. This to the car. This is the other one, right on the back here, you can see. Just plug this in. Good. Easy. Just put this back into place. Now, having that up there, you get a bunch of cable management things that comes in the box. They're all pretty useless. I would mainly just keep the zip ties. So what I've done right here is there's a line that's already hooked in here. I've just kind of zip tied these wires so they're here, and move them out of place so they're not behind the throttle. And that's just how I'm gonna do it. If I have any problems, I'll change it up, but I think it should be fine. You can press the gas all the way down and it doesn't get in the way at all. So now, also we got in the box, gotta get out the remote control. So here's the remote control. So you got a simple cord that we gotta plug into the back of the main box down here. So as you can see, there's a little hole right there. Simply plug this in, clicks in, and now there's a couple other cord management things that they give you in the box for the remote control too. Those are all useless. One thing I've done is you can take this right here. Let me see. Oh, you can kind of just pop it into the trim underneath. Just gotta pop it in there. Works pretty good. Not gonna move it all. It's out of sight so no one can see it. I have my phone here. Now, okay, so now that I got the remote sitting right here, it comes with these two sticky things. So, I still haven't really figured out where I want to put this. I'm just going to leave it free right now so I can move it around. I'll figure out where I like to have it. Thinking about putting it just up here, so it's easy just to grab while you're driving and just switch. I know you can put it on the side here. I don't know. I'll figure that out, let you guys know later. And yeah. Everything is good. Now, this is just an install video. I'll put out another video later today of my review of it. Should be interesting. Really